We'll guide you through how to make particle system in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners want to learn how to use Blender but feel confused by its interface and tools. Understanding particles is important for creating effects like grass, hair, or simulations. First, open Blender by tapping on its icon on your device. Once it is fully loaded and the default scene appears, select all objects in the scene by pressing the A key on your keyboard. Then, press X to delete everything in the scene so you can start with a clean workspace. A confirmation prompt will appear, so confirm the deletion to remove all objects completely. After clearing the scene, press Shift and it together to open the Add menu. From the Mesh section in the menu, add a plane to your scene as a base object. Once the plane is created, look at the side menu and go to the Particle section, which contains settings related to particle systems. Press on it to open the Particle Properties panel. Next, tap the plus sign in the panel to add a particle system to your selected object. From here, there are many options you can explore to customize how the particles behave and appear. If you want to temporarily hide the particles, you can tap the Display button on the particle slot. This helps you manage visibility while working. To add more particle systems, press the plus sign again and repeat the process. You can also change the name of each particle system to keep your project organized. Next, choose which type of particle you want by selecting either emitter or hair, depending on the effect you want to create. The emitter type will generate particles over time, while the hair type will create strand-like effects. After setting up your particles, you may want to review how they look in your scene. To do this, press Shift and the space bar together to play the animation and preview the particle movement. This allows you to see how your settings affect the final result. Continue adjusting the options as needed to improve the appearance of your particles. Practicing these steps will help you understand how particle systems work in Blender and allow you to create more advanced visual effects in your projects with better control and creativity over time.